As usual, we are always fucking late for a flight, and we're like running short on time. Felicia looking like Trump over there,
That was
and
I promise you.
that was her fault this time.
It wasn't.
Yeah, it's definitely her fault. But yeah, I look crazy, but we're gonna fix it when we land. I'll talk to you guys later. So I don't know where I started, but guys, we missed our flight. So we're just gonna enjoy our night out in the city, and you know, just do what we can until 6:30 to board our next flight. I refuse to go home, so I'm technically on vacation. So why would I go home?
And wish us luck.
So yeah.
That there would be my trip sometimes. That's gotta be expensive. Be enough for a taste to make sure the bottle's okay.
Hey guys, I have a story time for y'all. We made our flight, praise the Lord. Oh my gosh, made our flight. We were able to board because we were on standby with 31 other people. I was 5 on the list, Felicia was 7. I was just like, oh my gosh. Then while we're waiting, they're like, so if you're in group 8 and whatever, you're more than likely you're gonna have to check your bag. Why that affects me is we booked our ticket through jetlag.com. It's convenient if you're gonna travel with a small bag or whatever. But if your flight is full, they're gonna try to send your bag to your final destination. My final destination technically on my ticket is North Carolina. Felicia's final destination is New Mexico. So with that being said, there was no way our bags could get checked because we're not going to either of those places because our flight stops in Miami, and from Miami we're just going to leave the airport instead of waiting for our second flight. So skip lag allows you to get flights for cheaper but just leaving sooner than you are supposed to. You get what I mean. But yeah, it's been a crazy hassle. I don't know if I'll do this again, but our tickets were pretty cheap to get here. But it cost a lot as far as time, energy, and all. Excuse my appearance, but we finally made it to Miami. We're eating breakfast and then we're gonna head out and just get some girl stuff. Park there or whatever. Tatiana, somewhere here.
Everything's done.
Hey guys, I finally able to put my hair on properly and get my life together. So plans right now is in the air. We're not sure what we're about to do, but I will keep you posted once I figure it out. Felicia. We are now all dressed. Before it was just me and Felicia, and now she's here. That thing in the back, and the other thing in the back, and beautiful me. Like, who the fuck does she think she is? So this is the original Destiny Childs. Of course, I'm Beyonce.
I'll be Latoya. I'm torn in between the two. Cause I really want everything. Take off. Kiana's take off. Alright, another shot.
Outfits, okay. Yes, funny, alright. Yes, alright.
Check.
6th floor, okay.
Nope.
Nobody press lobby?
Yeah, press lobby, but it's definitely something. Choose that.
So Chloe's not answering, but we have 2 options. We can go to her hotel, which is a little bit more lit and active, and just go eat there.
Yeah, happy with that bus.
We'll go on 3. 1, 2, 3. Dogs in the nighttime. Like Papa.
If you go for one today, let's actually.
Look at this walk. Look at this walk. Look at it. Horrible. So guys, we're heading to Rolling Loud, to roll some loud. But yeah. We are here at the festival. That's what it is?
I was up chopping early in the morning. On the way like a new rag.
All I gotta say is, no matter what, always remember, you can overcome the storm. If you fall, you can just get up. And when you get up, you be great. And you be grateful.
I don't even fuck his own music. Oh my god. Oh, bitch, don't have no energy now. I was never drunk. Did you just say it was 7 a.m.? We are here in Miami and it's fucking raining. OD. Look at this.
Wait, hold on. Let me say my favorite line. It's like I'm going for a swim.
Duck on them.
Now it's swinging on the right.
Wait. Okay, well, we're about to head out and get food. I will update you guys. But this is day 2. It's crazy, guys. Look at this.
Damn wet.
Close my fucking window, bitch.
Close my window.
Is that a cow? Oh, yeah, that is a cow. Oh my gosh, it's so much. Poor baby. Okay. This shit is unfucking real. My whole
Somebody go $5.
So for all of us, $10. Well, as in we, me and Kiana and I, just left Live, about to head to the airport now. My flight leaves at 5:55 a.m. Tatiana's flight leaves at, Kiana's flight leaves at 7, I think. But yeah, we left the club, very unfortunate. But if I wanted to make my flight, this is the best I can do. I'm currently tipsy. I wouldn't say drunk. I can feel it. But by the time I get to over there, it should fade off. From here, it's a 35-minute ride. And yeah, we'll see how everything goes. Hopefully, I make my flight. And when I will update you. Oh, it's currently 4 a.m. So I have basically an hour and 55 minutes. Technically an hour and something minutes because the gate closes at 5:30. Yes. It's fine. I'm so happy, and I have, I think, 10 minutes left to spare. All that anxiety for nothing. Girl, you made your flight.